Have you ever stopped to wonder about the story behind the Control-Alt-Delete keyboard combination? Today, we're delving into the fascinating history and hidden facts surrounding this iconic key combination. Control-Alt-Delete, a keystroke combination known for its ability to reboot a computer or access various system functions, has a surprisingly rich history. The story begins in the early 1980s when David Bradley, an engineer at IBM, was part of the team developing the original IBM PC. At the time, there was a need for a simple and reliable way to reboot the computer or access certain system functions in case of a system crash or freeze. Bradley knew that the solution had to be straightforward and easily accessible, even in the event of a serious system malfunction. After considering various options, he settled on the idea of using the Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys together to trigger these functions. The Control-Alt-Delete combination was designed to be a warm boot function, allowing users to restart the computer without turning it off completely. This was particularly useful for troubleshooting and performing maintenance tasks. Interestingly, the decision to use this specific key combination was not without its critics. Some members of the development team argued that it was too easy to accidentally press all three keys, potentially leading to unintended reboots. However, Bradley defended his choice, noting that it was unlikely to occur during normal computer use. Over time, Control-Alt-Delete the combination became a standard feature in the world of personal computing. It was later adopted by Microsoft for use in its Windows operating system, where it became synonymous with accessing the task manager and logging into the system. The combination became particularly famous in the early 1990s with the rise of Windows operating systems, where it was prominently featured as a way to troubleshoot and manage system tasks. Even today, many people still use Control-Alt-Delete as a quick way to access the task manager or log into their computer, rather than searching for these functions in the Windows search bar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the reasons behind everyday phenomena and experiences.